In this video, we listed the 5 best handheld digital oscilloscope on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Owon HDS2202S Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The product is a digital oscilloscope and signal generator from Cerrust, available in several models: HDS242, HDS272, HDS2102, and HDS2202, with varying bandwidths from 40 MHz to 200 MHz and sample rates up to 1 GSA/s. These devices feature a 3.5-inch LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels and support for 2 channels, with some models offering an additional signal generator channel. They are designed for a maximum input voltage of 400 V and include multiple testing modes for voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. The pricing starts at $113.83, with a promotional discount and shipping options to Bangladesh. The product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection, ensuring customer data remains confidential. Number 2. Fnirsi 2C53T Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The Fnirsi 2C53T3-in-1 oscilloscope is a multifunctional device that combines an oscilloscope, signal generator, and multimeter, making it ideal for electrical applications. It features a 50 MHz bandwidth, a real-time sampling rate of 250 ms/s, and a memory length of 1 kbps. The device has a 2.8-inch HD color screen with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, and supports various measurement functions, including voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and temperature, ranging from -55 to 1300. With a maximum measured voltage of ±400 V and multiple trigger modes, it provides versatile functionality for users. The pricing starts at $74.04, reflecting a 46% discount, and shipping options are available, although there are restrictions for certain locations. The product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customer data. Number 3. Bside O2 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The Bside O2 oscilloscope is a compact and versatile device designed for electrical applications, featuring a bandwidth of 50 MHz and a real-time sampling rate ranging from 1.5 ms/s to 250 ms/s. It has a record length of 128 kb and supports 2 digital channels, with a display resolution of 488 by 320 pixels on a screen size between 3.0 to 4.9 inches. The product is certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Priced at $56.78, reflecting a 48% discount, it includes firmware updates for enhanced functionality, such as optimized trigger modes and signal generator features. While shipping options are available, there are restrictions for certain locations, including Bangladesh. The product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customer data. Number 4. Zoyi ZT702S Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The Zoyi ZT702S is a compact and multifunctional digital oscilloscope and multimeter designed for electrical applications. It features a maximum waveform capture rate of 30,000 WFM/s and a real-time sampling rate of 48 ms/s, with a bandwidth of 10 MHz and a single digital channel. The device has a 320 by 240 pixel resolution on a screen smaller than 2.9 inches, making it portable and easy to use. It supports a wide range of measurement functions, including AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature, with a maximum input voltage of ±400 V. Priced at $51.16 after a 49% discount, it emphasizes safety with overload protection and compliance with CE certification. While shipping options are available, there are restrictions for certain locations, including Bangladesh. The product also includes a warranty for customer support and secure payment options to protect personal data. Number 5. Tooltop ET2010A Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The Tooltop ET2010A is a compact and efficient digital oscilloscope and multimeter designed for electrical applications, featuring a bandwidth of 1 MHz and a high-speed sampling rate of 2.5 MSPs. It can measure AC and DC voltages and currents up to 600 V and 10A, respectively, and includes additional functions for measuring resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and diode continuity tests. The device offers a user-friendly experience with 3 waveform scanning modes: ortho, conventional, simple, data and waveform saving capabilities for up to 100 sets of data and 10 waveforms, and a clear 2.4-inch color display. Priced at $31.54 after a 52% discount, it also features overload protection, an auto power-off function, and a reliable calibration system. However, shipping is restricted to certain locations, including Bangladesh, and the product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customer data.